Hey, green screeners. It's me. And I have some free backgrounds and another activity I want to share with you all, which is a farm set activity. But what I really want to emphasize in this video is that you don't have to be switching backgrounds constantly to do green screen. A lot of people are frustrated that they have to click, 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 click throughout all the activities and have that page pulled up. You really don't have to if you have manipulative objects that you can move around. You can really stick on one background for a while. So if you're starting to feel like your sessions are getting a little bit overkill with the backgrounds and that you're fatigued because you're constantly switching, try and stretch your backgrounds to target more things and really stretch a background. So I hope that this can be useful just to show how I open the session with this activity and how far it goes. So I open the session and what's right behind me is this farm. And I say, I have a funky farm behind me and it is all wacky. Lots of things are wacky and the animals are not in the right spot. So I'm gonna move out of the way so that you can tell me which animals are not in the right spot and where to put them. And then I move out of the way and they take a little look and they start to direct me how to reposition the animals. So we might say, oh, the cow, he's on the barn. He doesn't belong on the barn. He should go in the grass. Who else is not in the right space? Yeah, that's right, this sheep. He's stuck in the mud. Help me pull him out. Pull, 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 pull. Let's put him right here in the grass. Who else is not in the right space? Yeah, that dog, he's upside down. What should we do with him? Flip him around. Okay, let's flip him around. Do you want him in the fence or out of the fence? Yeah, let's keep him in the fence in case he chases some animals that he's not supposed to be chasing. Who else needs to get moved? That's right, the horse. Let's take him and put him where? Oh, we could put him in the barn. Do you want to put him inside the barn? Okay, then you won't be able to see him anymore, but we'll put him in. There's one animal that I am missing. It's the pig. Do you see him anywhere? Oh, he's hiding behind the barn. I'm going to tell him to come through. Come through, little pig. Come through. Come through. Oh, he's going behind the barn. He came out. Says, where should I go? You should go in the water? No, in the mud. Yeah, he should go in the mud. That's where pigs like to stay. Who else needs to be put in their spot? The ducks. Okay, let's get these ducks. Put them in their water. Yes, they're gonna go in the pond. Okay, so the ducks are swimming, the cow is in the grass, the dog is in the fence, the sheep is here, and the horse is in the barn. And we might even at this point really explore and kind of play with why the dog has to be in the fence. Or I'll say, let's see what happens if we take the dog out of the fence. And I'll take him out and I say, uh-oh, he's feeling a little bit sneaky. What's he gonna do? Woo, 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 woo. And he barks and now he's in the lake. And kids really like to explore and pretend play with these animals and kind of imagining like, who could he chase next? Oh, he's chasing the sheep. Oh no, woo, 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 woo. He chased the sheep away. Tell him, go back in your fence. Go back in your fence. Come back, sheep. Come back, ducks. It's okay. So kind of exploring the pretend play and really letting them lead. Even though you're engaging with the manipulatives, they can really pretend here and have a moment for imagination and engage with the animals in different ways. I could put the pig on top of the cow's back and say, he doesn't want to get off. And the cow has to tell him, get off of my back. I mean, you guys can go into a full imagination scheme just with one background and a few manipulatives. But then what I like to do after we've exhausted this background as far as I can take it, then I might say, oh, I really missed the horse though. Should we check on him? Yeah, let's check on him. Let's go in the barn. So let's take these guys down because we don't need them anymore because we're going into the barn. And then I'll take us into the barn. So we end up in the barn and the horse is here and he says, welcome to my house. I'm pretty thirsty. What do I do when I'm thirsty? Drink some water. That was yummy. Now I'd like a little hay snack. Okay, I'll eat some hay. Says I would like some apples. He ate 3 apples. And then we can say, what did he do first? What did he do second? What did he do third? And you can also bring other animals into this and do different things, like maybe the sheep was eating apples and the horse was drinking water and the pig was eating hay. And you could work on who questions and what are they doing questions, or just sequencing in general. First the pig ate, then the horse ate. You know how it goes. So what I might do after this activity is I'll say, oh no, whoa, 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 whoa. Do you hear that? Whoa, 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 whoa. What is that? And we end up at the barn farm scene again, but all the animals are gone except for the dog, and he's here and he's whoa, 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 whoa. He's running off, and we say, we need to go follow him. What is he chasing after? He's right here now. Whoa, 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 whoa. And he's barking at that tree. But what's he barking at? And I'll bring all the animals back, and they climb up into the tree. And so all of the animals end up in the tree, and we have to save them and get them down from the tree. And the dog is barking the whole time, and we have to have the child jump, teach the dog how to jump, show him your biggest jump. He doesn't know how to jump the fence, and he wants to help the animals. And they'll do a jump, and he'll do a jump, and then help all of the animals come down. So let's help the pig get down, and he helps the cow get down, and he helps the horse get down, and the sheep get down, and the ducks usually come down too. So yeah, and then we might even do how to teach all of the animals how to jump over the fence, and having the kids get out of their chair and sort of jump with us. So jump, having them move gets them really interested again. So I do hope that this was not too lengthy for you all, and it was enjoyable to watch at the very least, and helpful for those of you who are wondering or feeling like teletherapy is getting tired. I'm just here to keep on pumping ideas your way, and I do hope you have a wonderful week. Don't forget, these backgrounds are all free at playsparktoys.com. The felt sets are there too, and a much more affordable version of the felt sets are available in the printable form. So let me know if you use it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.